Legendary Beats.
If I tell you do like this, I'ma show my do like this. If I tell you do like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm giving you this smoky eye inspired look, and I wanted to spice it up and make it fun for the holidays. So it's like a smoky dark eye with a pop of red color, a red lip, like a bold red lip. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like this video or if you want to see more makeup tutorials. And of course, make sure you share with all your friends. Tell your mom, your dad, your sister, your dog to come and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, comment down below if there's any other videos you would like to see. But yeah, let me stop rambling and let's get into this video. So guys, I thought I'd do something a little different, and this is gonna be like kind of a talk through tutorial. So my face is already done. I'm just gonna focus mostly on the eyes, and we are going to attempt to do a smoky eye because I think it's perfect for the holidays, and not even for the holidays, but yeah, that's what we're going for. So the first thing I'm gonna mostly try using my e.l.f. Rose Gold palette. I will have to use like a darker color from another palette, which I will show you later. But the first color I'm going to go into is this one, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease to kind of like deepen the crease, you know. I'll be using this brush from Carli Cosmetics, and it's kind of late here, guys, so yes, I'm just gonna keep packing it on basically until like I get my desired look. So next I'm gonna go in with this darker color, and I'm just gonna pack that on my lid basically until like I get my desired effect. So I'm gonna be using another Carli Cosmetics brush. I have a lot of her brushes actually. So this color is pretty dark. It's not like black dark, but it's pretty dark, so I want to start with this as a base. And I'm just packing it on, guys. So now that I'm kind of like done packing it in, I'm gonna start blending a little bit just to see how it's gonna look. And I'm gonna keep adding some. Oh, and by the way, don't mind my crusty lips. Like, I just finished eating, so that's why they kind of maybe look a little crusty, but we gonna bypass that, okay? And with this, guys, I'm not going too high up because I don't want it to like, I don't want to add too much, and then it's easier for darker colors to kind of blend when there's not a lot, instead of like adding too much and then I can't like unblend it, you know what I mean? looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna go back with that first color and just blend everything. Since that color kind of got lost, I'm gonna add a bit more. So I think we're gonna go with this because it's kind of the holidays. I don't know, I don't want to do like too dark. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this for now. But next I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes off camera because guys, I'm like terrible at applying lashes. So we're gonna do that off camera. But I wanted to show you the lashes I'm gonna be using, which they're the ones from BeautybyBD lashes. And these are their Faux Mink lashes in the style Toronto. Yeah, I've used their lashes before and I really like them. You guys know, definitely I'll leave my code down in the description box down below if you guys want to purchase any of the lashes you see me wearing. But it is Aisa 15 if you want dollars off, and yeah, they're really inexpensive and they, yeah, I like their lashes. They're really good quality. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, put that off camera, and I'll be right back. Whew. Okay, so lashes are on. I be struggling, guys, with my overactive tear ducts. Like, comment down below if you have overactive tear ducts too. Like, it just won't stop, and it's every time I have makeup on too. It's so annoying. But anyways, I'm gonna go on and add a little more highlight because the highlight I had earlier, because of my overactive tear ducts, kind of like faded, so I'm gonna add some more. And to do so, I'm going to use my Carli Bybel palette. You guys know I use this in all of my tutorials. If you're new and you don't know, first of all, make sure you subscribe, and second of all, like, this palette is my holy grail highlighter palette. It's still a banger, and this is the one she had with BH Cosmetics, like her first one. But I'll be using this one and just putting that in my inner corner. That's my go-to highlight, honestly. I normally don't add that much because a little goes a long way, guys. Now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lips. So they were already lined because I already had like color on them, but I'm gonna go ahead and line them again, make sure that everything's good. So to line my lips, I've recently started using my shade Espresso from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. And guys, this works so good. I used to struggle so much with like getting the perfect brown pigment, and I love, like, I don't know why I've never used concealer before. And now I'm going to bring back a palette that I haven't used in such a long time, and that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and this is the volume 1. I actually really like the shades in them, guys. It's just on a daily basis I don't really wear like that much color as much, so that's the only reason I haven't used it like that. And I believe I'm gonna go ahead and use the primary color because I want more of a deeper red than number 7. Number 7 is more like an orangey red, and I want like a deep red. So we're going with the primary. It's a primary 3. And don't mind the brush I'm using, guys. I just used it for some I saw. So guys, this is the finished look. This is my version of a smoky eye with a bold lip, and I really like how it turned out. Like, I don't know why I've never done this before, but yeah, if you guys like this look and you want to see more looks like these, I think this is like perfect for the holidays if you want to spice things up and do something a little different. Or even if it's not for the holidays, like sis, like this is a look, okay? So yeah, definitely make sure you give this video a like if you like this, or if you want to see more makeup tutorials like these. And definitely comment down below whatever you want to see, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because what are you doing if you haven't subscribed yet? You're definitely missing out, and I promise you, you will not regret it. But yeah, hit the subscribe button, join the family. We like to see you guys growing, and of course we appreciate all the support we've gotten so far. So yeah, just subscribe, tell your mom, your dad, your sister, whoever you want to tell to come and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, I think I'll see you guys in our next video, and have a good day, guys. Bye.
So maybe Christmas would be me get again just start for your Christmas tree. And New Year's Eve when them a count down, me a count pound. At the brown, but just between a town and my son.